how to fix Instagram will restrict certain activity problem. So in today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So actually there is two ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go to your Instagram, click on your profile and go to this edit profile option, and then you have to change all the informations that you have from the name, the username and the bio, and also the profile picture. Click confirm and that's it. The second way is you have to go to the top corner and open the settings on your profile, go to the help option, open report a problem page, click on report problem without shaking. It will take you directly to this page. Now on this page you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. As we know, right now we have the problem of the restricted certain activity. You have to explain this right here and click next, and the Instagram support team will help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe.